What if Earth was hurled into deep space at billions of miles per hour? What if two suns collided directly into each other? And what if a planet the size of an entire galaxy came charging straight toward us? This isn't a sci-fi movie storyline. Our Milky Way and Andromeda are on a direct collision course, and the outcome will defy everything you know.
Welcome to If Hub, where we explore terrifying and mind-bending scenarios that could change our world forever.
It feels like we are sitting completely still on Earth, but in reality, you are traveling through space at thousands of miles per hour right now. Earth is spinning on its axis, orbiting the Sun, and our entire solar system is hurtling around the center of the Milky Way at an astonishing 720,000 kilometers per hour. And unfortunately, we are heading straight toward another giant galaxy, Andromeda. Andromeda and the Milky Way are already close enough that their massive gravitational forces are pulling each other in. Andromeda holds about 1 trillion stars, while our Milky Way has around 300 billion. These two gigantic spiral disks will slice right through each other in space, get pulled back by gravity, and collide repeatedly until they merge into one new megagalaxy, Milkdromeda. So, will billions of stars and planets smash into each other head-on? Surprisingly, space is so empty that most stars will quietly pass right by one another without ever touching. Imagine throwing two golf balls from opposite ends of the United States. The odds of them hitting each other in midair are literally 1 in a billion. But what if a passing star system swings too close to our solar system? At first, a new and extraordinarily bright star would appear in the night sky. Unlike regular stars, it wouldn't stay fixed in place. Over decades, its brightness and movement would intensify until it outshone even the moon. The gravity of this rogue star would wreak havoc in the outer edge of our solar system, a shell of icy debris known as the Oort cloud. Billions of comets and frozen space rocks would be dislodged, sending a catastrophic shower of comets plunging straight toward the inner solar system and Earth. As the intruder gets closer, the orbits of outer giants like Neptune, Uranus, and Jupiter would warp. The billions of years old delicate balance of our solar system would collapse. Earth's orbit would distort, the moon could be ripped away or crash into us, and climate patterns would shatter, plunging Earth into either extreme freezing conditions or unbearable heat waves. Even if the passing planet doesn't hit Earth directly, its immense gravity could act like a cosmic slingshot, flinging Earth completely out of the solar system into the freezing void of deep space. Within just 14 days, the sun would shrink in our sky, oceans would freeze solid, and Earth would become a rogue planet, wandering forever through pitch-black space. And what's the absolute worst-case scenario? A direct head-on smash with another planet. The energy released would equal billions of atomic bombs exploding at once, completely melting both worlds into a glowing cloud of superheated vapor and lava. To make matters worse, Andromeda's central supermassive black hole, 140 million times the mass of our Sun, could swallow our entire solar system without leaving a trace. Even if Earth survives the chaos, billions of years from now, our night sky will look completely unrecognizable. Ancient constellations will disappear, replaced by a breathtaking panorama of glowing nebulae and new star clusters. We will belong to a brand new galaxy, but whether humanity will be around to witness it remains the ultimate mystery.